What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are I forgot what I want to say. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another vlog. It's your boy Wheezy, live and direct from Lam Seafood Market. We are going to host a second annual pho party this weekend. So we're right here. We're going to go grocery shopping. I'm going to take you guys along. So come along.
About to get.
I'm gonna get some bones, some tendon, some brisket, maybe some oxtail, some ribs. I don't know. About to be bomb though. Alright, so now we're at the beef bone sections. This is what the pho make it taste like a pho.
This is what the pho make the pho taste like a pho. This is what makes the pho taste like pho. That's what you meant, right?
Yep. Good morning, you guys. It's 7 a.m. right now. I just woke up. So first thing first, before we cook the pho, we got gonna put everything in this pot over here, and then we're gonna let it soak for 2 hours. All right, let's do it. But first, coffee. Alright, so we got the coffee over here, we got the pastry, but I just realized we have a big problem, guys. And guess what? We're gonna have about 12 people going to be at the house for the pho, but we only have 3 bowls. So we gotta go buy some bowls. So right now I am at Oak Tree Market, right by our house, and now we're gonna go get some bowls. Alright, we got the bowl. Look at that, it's kind of cute. It's look kind of small on the camera, but it's like a medium size. If anything, people can just have 2 bowls. Second round. Alright, one quick disclaimer is that there are different ways for you to cook it. But generally there's a main guideline of how you should cook it. So today I'm going to follow my mom's recipe. Alright, y'all, it's 2 hours later, and look at this. This is why we put it in salt water beforehand. Made a mini mess. Alright, so I just dumped the bones and I wash it, and now I put it in here to let it boil again, to take out all the blood, all the bad stuff. And then meanwhile, to save time, I also boil another extra water so we can get things going fast because we ain't no restaurant. Alright, so while we're waiting for the water to boil, there's a couple things that we can also do to save time.
Concentration face of someone cutting onions. Are you crying yet?
It's coming out. I can feel it. I can feel it coming. It's gonna cue the weekend song.
I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe.
Next one is the jalapenos. Alright, so now I dumped it out. I'm gonna rinse these bones real quick before I put it back into the pot and actually cooking for real now. Next thing is to roast these things over a medium fire heat. Alright, so now that the beef has been boiling for like an hour and a half now, I'm gonna lower it to like a medium to simmer it, and then we're gonna roast these.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, it's so good.
I haven't made an appearance yet, but here I am. Going to try the pho. There's a cook. He's tired, and I just get to eat. So here I go. Yummy.
It's like, oh, I don't have any idea. So I was like, oh!
Our first guest is here.
I'm trying it out.
Yeah, you are. Is it
It's
beef?
warm?
Is it beefy?
It is big. I like it.
Okay, good. Hello, Flannery.
Hi.
Are you excited for pho?
Just for me. Just me, see?
Oh, yeah.
I'm the only one at the table.
Wait, you meant to bring mine.
Alright, he's about to dish up some
But then they have like
bowls of pho because we got our friends here.
Oh, thank you.
it's really good. Wow.
Almost half of the pot is gone. For all our friends here. And we're watching Veggie Tales.
Take shots of like tomato juice and
Cause Leland. What's up, Jerry?
Hello, hello.
Last guest of the
I'm
day.
the last customer of the night. You know, they're about to close up shop. It's 9:59, so I got
Yeah,
here just on time. They close
1
at 10
minute.
PM, so hallelujah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, shop owner.